The next 3 years will fundamentally reshape how people discover brands online. And if you're still optimizing for Google like it's 2019, you're about to get left behind. This isn't speculation. This is about the seismic shift happening right now and how people search for information. And what I'm about to show you has quietly terrified every traditional SEO expert who's paying attention. I'm Julie McCoy's digital avatar. She spent the last decade in digital marketing, and there has never been a shift this dramatic, this fast. What you're about to learn could be the difference between dominating your market and becoming invisible. Here's what's happening. People aren't scrolling through Google search results anymore. They're asking ChatGPT, they're using Claude, they're getting instant answers from Perplexity and Gemini, and here's the kicker. Your brand either shows up in those conversations or it doesn't exist. Think about your own behavior. When's the last time you scrolled to page 2 of Google? When's the last time you even clicked on 3 different results? You probably pulled out ChatGPT and got your answer in seconds. This is the automation cliff for traditional SEO. One day you're ranking, the next day AI is answering your customers' questions, and you're not part of the conversation. Here's the brutal truth. Your competitors are being mentioned in ChatGPT conversations right now, in Perplexity searches, in Gemini responses, and unless you're actively monitoring and optimizing for these platforms, you have no idea if you're even in the game. You could be ranking #1 on Google and still be completely invisible in AI search. That's the new reality. And until now, there was no way to even know where you stood. You were flying blind. That changes today. Semrush just launched something that changes everything. It's called Semrush One, and it's the first and only platform that unites traditional SEO tools with AI search capabilities in one place. Not 2 dashboards, not switching between tools. One connected solution for tracking, optimizing, and dominating across Google and AI platforms like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Gemini. Think about that for a second. You can finally see how your brand performs across every platform that matters. Traditional Google search, AI overviews, ChatGPT, Perplexity, all in one dashboard from the link in the description. You can try Semrush One free for 14 days. And here's why you should act now. This is the highest commission Semrush has ever offered affiliates at $300 per sale, which tells you how seriously they're taking this launch. This is their flagship solution. Let me break down what makes this different from anything else on the market. First, unmatched data accuracy. Semrush monitors over 100 million relevant LLM prompts globally. That includes 90 million plus in the US alone and 29 million specifically for ChatGPT. Nobody else has this data. Nobody. Second, weekly updates. The AI search landscape changes constantly. Semrush One updates your data weekly so you're never working with stale information. Third, total search coverage. You're not choosing between SEO and AI visibility anymore. You get both, same tool, same login, one unified workflow. Fourth, it's already trusted. 10 million marketers worldwide use Semrush. 35% of Fortune 500 companies. It's been awarded Best SEO Software Suite 21 times. This isn't some startup experiment. This is proven technology expanding into the future. But here's what really matters. Coalition Technologies boosted their AI referral traffic by 429% using these tools. Jordan Brannon, their president, says the AI visibility score is now a core part of how they report results to clients. That's not theory. That's real traffic, real revenue, real results. Let me give you a framework that works across both traditional SEO and AI search. I call it the Rocket Reach Triangle. It has 3 components: content, connections, and corrections. Content is what's on your website. Both humans and AI crawlers see it. But here's the difference. AI doesn't just look for keywords. It looks for depth, authority, comprehensive coverage of topics. It looks for answers to prompts. Connections are your backlinks and brand mentions. When high authority sites link to you, it signals trust to both Google and AI models. But for AI, there's a twist. Community consensus matters more than ever. Corrections are the technical issues that prevent crawlers, both traditional and AI, from properly reading your site. And with AI crawlers, there are new technical requirements you've never had to worry about before. Semrush One covers all 3. Let me show you how. Traditional SEO was all about keywords. AI SEO is about prompts, the questions and requests people type into ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity. With Semrush One's prompt monitoring, you can see exactly what customers are asking AI platforms about your business. Not guessing, actually seeing the real prompts. Look at this. These are real questions people are asking. And for each one, you can see whether AI platforms are mentioning your brand or your competitors. This is like having X-ray vision into AI conversations. Every prompt where you're missing is an opportunity. Every prompt where competitors appear and you don't is a gap you need to close. But it goes deeper. Semrush One still gives you the best keyword research tools on the market. The Keyword Magic tool generates thousands of keyword variations with accuracy that's unmatched. See these filters? Keyword difficulty, search volume, search intent, SERP features, including AI overviews. You can instantly see which keywords trigger AI answers and adjust your strategy accordingly. And here's the power move. Combine keyword data with prompt data. Find the intersection. That's where you dominate both traditional search and AI platforms simultaneously. The Keyword Strategy Builder takes your core topics and expands them into complete topic clusters. Pillar pages with supporting subtopics. This structure signals authority to both Google algorithms and AI models. This is how you build comprehensive authority, not one keyword at a time. Entire topics fully covered, leaving no gaps for competitors. Backlinks have always mattered for SEO, but AI visibility requires something more. Brand mentions across the platforms that AI models trust. Semrush One's visibility tracking shows you exactly how often LLMs mention your brand versus competitors. This is your share of voice in AI search. You can see it broken down by platform. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini. You can track it over time. You can compare yourself to any competitor. Think about what this means. For the first time ever, you can measure your presence in AI conversations, not guess. Measure, and the competitive research features let you see exactly where competitors are being mentioned that you aren't. Every gap is an opportunity. See how this competitor appears in 43% of relevant prompts while you only appear in 18%? That's your growth target right there. But Semrush One doesn't just show you the problem. It gives you actionable recommendations on how to close those gaps, AI-powered insights at every step. The platform also includes all the traditional backlink analysis tools. You can track your backlink profile, find broken links, discover where competitors are getting links, and identify high-authority opportunities. This is the backlink gap tool showing where your competitors have backlinks you don't. Notice the authority scores. One link from a site with AS80 is worth more than 50 links from sites with AS20. And here's the AI twist. Pay attention to community mentions, Reddit, Quora, industry forums. AI models crawl these constantly. A Reddit thread mentioning your brand can influence AI responses across multiple platforms. Here's where most brands are failing right now. Technical optimization for AI crawlers. Google's crawler has been around for decades. We know how it works. But AI crawlers are different. They have different requirements, different expectations, different ways of evaluating sites. Semrush One's website optimization features audit your site for both traditional SEO issues and AI-specific problems. Look at this audit. It found 1,652 incorrect pages in the sitemap. That's 1,652 signals to both Google and AI that this site might not be trustworthy. But here's what's new. AI search issues. Semrush One specifically checks for problems that hurt AI visibility. Missing LLMS.txt file. This is like a sitemap specifically for AI crawlers. If you don't have one, many AI platforms can't efficiently crawl your content. You're invisible by default. Structured data issues. Schema markup that's critical for AI understanding. Content accessibility problems that prevent AI from properly parsing your information. These are technical issues you've never had to worry about before, but they're make or break for AI visibility. The good news? Semrush One finds them automatically and tells you exactly how to fix them. No guesswork. Clear, actionable recommendations backed by AI-powered insights. Here's what makes Semrush One truly different. Unified reporting that connects visibility to revenue. Most tools show you rankings. Some show you traffic. Almost none connect that visibility to actual business outcomes. Semrush One breaks down the silos. You can show stakeholders, your boss, your clients, your board, exactly how your SEO and AI visibility efforts drive revenue. This is one dashboard showing traditional SEO metrics, AI visibility scores, traffic from both sources, and conversion data. Everything connected, one story. The platform updates weekly, so you're always working with current data. You can set up position tracking for your target keywords and prompts. You can monitor your brand's share of voice across AI platforms over time. See how this brand's AI visibility increased by 127% over 3 months? And look at the corresponding increase in organic traffic and conversions. That's the story you need to tell. This isn't vanity metrics. This is proof of impact. This is how you justify budget. This is how you prove ROI. Semrush One comes in 3 tiers, built for teams of different sizes. Starter at $199 per month. Perfect for small teams or solopreneurs just getting serious about AI visibility. You get all the core features, including AI visibility tracking, prompt monitoring, and traditional SEO tools. Pro Plus at $299 per month, built for growing teams that need deeper competitive analysis and more comprehensive tracking. This is the sweet spot for most marketing teams. Advanced at $549 per month for agencies and enterprise teams managing multiple brands or clients. You get higher limits, advanced reporting, and priority support. All 3 tiers give you access to the same groundbreaking AI visibility features. You're not locked out of the future just because you're on a smaller plan. And remember, you can try it free for 14 days. No credit card required upfront, just pure access to see how your brand performs across every search platform that matters. Here's why timing matters. Most brands still don't know AI search is something they need to optimize for. They're not monitoring their mentions in ChatGPT. They're not tracking prompts. They're not auditing their AI readiness. That's your opportunity. Be found in AI before the competition even knows the game has changed. Get crawled by LLMs properly. Boost your visibility while your competitors are still debating whether AI search matters. Coalition Technologies didn't boost their AI referral traffic by 429% by accident. They saw the shift. They adapted. They used the tools. They won. You can do the same. 6 months from now, everyone will be optimizing for AI search. The competitive advantage will be gone. But today, you can be first. Today, you can capture market share before competitors even show up. Let me be direct. AI search is growing exponentially. ChatGPT has over 200 million weekly active users. Perplexity is processing millions of queries daily. Gemini is integrated into every Google service. But Google still drives the majority of traffic and purchase decisions today. You can't ignore either one. The brands that win will be the ones that master both traditional SEO and AI visibility. Not one or the other, both simultaneously from one connected platform. That's what Semrush One makes possible. Today, you learned the framework: content to build authority, connections to prove authority, corrections to maintain authority across both traditional and AI search. You learned how Semrush One gives you visibility and control over every platform that matters. You learned that this shift is happening now, not in some distant future. So what do you do next? First, click the link in the description to start your 14-day free trial of Semrush One. Get access to the AI visibility features nobody else offers. Second, audit your current position. Find out how often AI platforms mention your brand. See where your competitors are beating you. Identify the technical issues holding you back. Third, build your prompt strategy. Stop thinking only in keywords. Start thinking in the questions your customers are actually asking AI platforms. Fourth, fix your technical foundation. Make sure AI crawlers can properly access and understand your content. Add that LLMs.txt file. Fix your structured data. Fifth, monitor and optimize continuously. Check your visibility weekly. Track your prompts. Watch your share of voice grow. Connect it all to revenue. The search landscape is being reshaped as we speak. You can either shape it with the winners or get shaped by it with everyone else. Semrush One is your weapon for winning every search. Traditional Google, AI overviews, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, all of it. One platform, one login, one solution. Don't wait until your competitors figure this out. Don't wait until AI visibility becomes table stakes instead of a competitive advantage. Try Semrush One, free for 14 days. See where you stand. See where your competitors stand. See the future of search and claim your place in it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Want to be the winner of the AI age and a first mover? Transform your skills with real AI knowledge today in our AI R&D labs. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen, it's already happening. Will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, learn the exact systems my team and I are implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own marketing at First Movers. Start your journey by walking through a customized pathway powered by AI. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs at firstmovers.ai/labs.